Hi everyone, Drini here, and welcome to my channel. So, I have some people who are concerned about this upcoming THG box sales and have messaged me and left comments on my YouTube videos asking, are we going to repeat the same thing? While I cannot confirm whether or not we're going to repeat the same thing, because guys, I don't have a crystal ball here, I cannot predict the future, but what we can do is we can look at the charts just to see what that particular setup looks like so that you know how to act on it. So before I dive into the THG charts, I just want to remind you guys of what I said the last video. But if I change this to a 1-day time frame, look at where we are. The whole thing that happened yesterday, so this $13 all the way down to 870, 821, is once again just a small part of a much bigger run-up that has happened for THG so far. The one thing to note on a daily time frame is we have been overextended from the 21 EMA for the longest time. So there are a couple of scenarios that may happen here moving forward. The bullish case is what you want to do is maybe we just want to be here hovering around the same area, wait for the EMAs to creep up, something like that, and eventually continue on to our destination in the future. And there you go. At the moment, if you see, we have been overextended from the EMAs on a daily time frame for the longest time, and now that we have started to get closer to the EMAs, the EMA 21, which is still fine, we are currently in a healthier position than if we were consistently above the EMAs. Why is that? It's because it shows market health, where we are currently backtesting EMAs and we continue to be up from there. So that's the first point. The second point is, are we still on our way to $22? The answer is yes, because we are still on an uptrend, both on a daily time frame as well as on a 4-hourly time frame right here. So our Elliott wave structures are still intact, where this is wave 1, this is wave 2, and we are currently on our way to our wave 3, maybe somewhere around the 1618 before a test of either the 1414 or 1272 before continuation to our eventual target of $22. So we are still on track. So now let's zoom in a little bit to try to see what signs do we need to account for when dealing with the buy the rumor, sell the news scenario. In the previous buy the rumor, sell the news, these were these candles. So 1 day and 4 hours before the sale, or 7 bars ago, the run-up has already started. This time, you have nothing. So that's already quite a good sign that at least we're not overhyping this, and maybe it'll just be business as usual once the sale comes. And moving forward, on the way to the run-up, just try to watch your charts to see if we start to go on parabolic rises, so similar to like this. So if we start to immediately moon and go up by 20, 30, 40% within a span of a few hours, this is where you need to start getting worried because there will be a dump right after. But right now, it doesn't appear to be the case. So it's the same message. If you're a long-term hodler of THG, then this is just business as usual for you. In fact, for most people, including myself, during this period, I didn't do anything. But remember, as long as on a 4-hourly on a daily time frame as well, we are adhering to the 21 EMAs, which is currently at $8.27, as long as we don't break this price level and start to go down, then we are still good for continuation to the upside. And that's it. I know some of you are starting to get worried that THG will suddenly go to zero after this box sale, but I'm not too worried. At the end of the day, THG is still a good game. Everyone who follows me and watches my THG updates, you all know it's a good game. So we continue to hodl, buy what you can in terms of the heroes that you want to have, and from there, let's enjoy the game. If you like my video, please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. If you also have some other gaming cryptos that you would like me to look at, just leave it down in the comments below, and I'll look at it in the future. Until then, take care everyone, bye bye!